friends, welcome to our channel. Students, today we shall solve class 12 senior secondary English paper of class 12. As I have already told you, we shall solve set A, and in set A we shall solve part 2 ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन. स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम क्लास 12 का इंग्लिश का पार्ट 2 ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस करेंगे HBSC का. और ये एग्ज़ाम आज ही 11/4/2022 को हुआ है. सेट ए सॉल्व करते हैं. फर्स्ट देयर इज रीडिंग स्किल्स. ए, रीड द फॉलोइंग पैसेजेस A, B and C केयरफुली and answer the questions that follow. Do any two passages. Now we shall solve answers of passage A. Which are the two sides of the same coin mentioned in the passage? Answer is option C, rights and duties. Now question 2. What place do rights and duties have in a civilized society? Option B, rights and duties go side by side. Now question 3. Why is there a great unrest in the present day life? Answer is option A, because nobody seems to bother much about his duties. Now question 4. What do people do when their rights are infringed? Option D, they make a great hue and cry. Now fifth one, rights without duties amount to lawlessness. Now we shall solve questions of passage B. Sixth one, what does Nehru not want after his death? Option C, any religious ceremonies. Question 7. How does Nehru want his body to be disposed of if he dies in a foreign country? Option B, he wants to be cremated there and his ashes brought to India. Question 8. Where does Nehru want a handful of his ashes to be thrown? Option B, into the Ganga. Now ninth one, why does Nehru want a handful of his ashes to be thrown into the Ganga? Correct answer is option C, because Nehru was attached to the Ganga since his childhood. Now 10th one, when I die, I should like my body to be cremated. Option A is correct. Now we shall solve questions of passage C. As I have already told you that you have to attempt 2 passages out of the 3. Questions, choose the correct option. 11th one, what is the basic requirement of good communication skills? Option C, self-awareness. Question 12, what is the characteristic of a chameleon? Correct answer is option D, adaptive. Question 13, how can we raise the channel of interpersonal communications? Correct answer is option A, by using non-verbal behaviors. Question 14, non-verbal communication is often referred to as body language. Option C is correct. Question 15, body language means A, facial expressions like smile, B, gestures, C, eye contact, D, all of the above. Correct answer is D, all of the above. Now grammar. B, do as directed. A, change the narration any to. 16, he said God is great. Correct answer is option A, he said that God is great. 17th, the teacher said, are you feeling well today? Correct answer is option B, the teacher asked if I was feeling well that day. Now 18th one, Sita says, I shall come to see the picture. Correct answer is option C, Sita says that she will come to see the picture. Now B, use suitable articles any two. 19th, the birds fly in dash sky. तो यहाँ पर द आएगा. ऑप्शन सी द करेक्ट है. नाउ क्वेश्चन 20, डैश आउल कैन नॉट सी ड्यूरिंग डे टाइम. तो एन आउल, ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन 21, डू नॉट मेक ए नॉइज. आर्टिकल ए आएगा तो ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट. नाउ सी, यूज सुटेबल मॉडल्स any two. Question 22, it dash happen to anyone. तो it can happen to anyone. B, can सही है. 23, you dash consult some good doctor. must आएगा. A, must. 24, you dash go now. you may go now. Option B is correct. Now D, change the voice any two. 25th, why did you beat him? Correct answer is option B, why was he beaten by you? Question mark. You must take exercise. Correct answer is option A. Exercise must be taken by you. 27. It is time to take tea. Correct answer is option B. It is time for tea to be taken. Now E. Use correct form of verb any to. 28. The new teacher dash us for 6 months. Correct answer is option B. Has been teaching. 29. Last Saturday I dash at home. Correct answer is option D. Stayed. Now 30. A brave man dash heart bracket may not lose. Correct answer is option C. Does not lose. Now prose passage C. Read the passage given below carefully and answer the questions that follow. There are two passages and you have to attempt only one. Out of the two, you can attempt any of the given one passage. आपको दिए गए दो पैसेजेस में से एक पैसेज करना है. You can attempt either of the one. Questions. Choose the correct option. ये तो आपको क्लियर हो ही गया होगा कि दोनों पैसेजेस में से आपको एक अटेम्प्ट करना है. 31 है नेम द चैप्टर फ्रॉम विच दिस पैसेज हैज बीन टेकन. ए द लास्ट लेसन. 32 हु वॉज वॉक्टर. ए आंसर है ए ब्लैक स्मिथ. 33 हु इज़ द राइटर ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. ऑप्शन बी अल्फोंसो डॉडेट. Question 34 who was standing. Answer is option C his apprentice. 35th who does I in the passage refer to. A French. Now the passage given in the or questions. Choose the correct option. 36 name the lesson from which this passage has been taken. Option B deep water. 37 who is the author of the chapter. इस चैप्टर का ऑथर कौन है. ऑप्शन सी विलियम डगलस. 38 what was revived for the writer on being introduced to the YMCA swimming pool. अनप्लेजेंट मेमोरीज एंड fearful memories. तो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ए एंड सी, यानी ऑप्शन डी आपका सही है. बोथ ए एंड सी. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. 39 what did the writer learn watching the other boys. Option B swimming. 40 what happened when the writer was just beginning to feel at ease in the water. Option A misadventure. Now poetry section. You have to attempt one stanza of the given two. D. Read the stanza given below and answer the questions that follow. Questions. Choose the correct option. Who is the poet of these lines. B. Adrian Rich. 42 from which poem these lines have been taken. A. Aunt Jennifer's Tigers. A option Aunt Jennifer's Tigers. 43 what are Aunt Jennifer's Tigers doing. B. They are prancing across a screen. Question 44 how do the tigers look. They look like the bright denizens of a world of green. Option C is correct. 45 what are the tigers not afraid of. A. They are not afraid of the man sitting under the tree. Now the stanza given in the or questions. Choose the correct option. 46 who is the poet of these lines. Option C John Keats is correct. Now question 47 from which poem these lines have been taken. Option B A Thing of Beauty. Question 48 what does the poet say about the sun and the moon. Option C the sun and the moon are beautiful things of nature. Question 49 what do the trees do. They provide us the boon of shade. Option B is correct. Now 50 where do daffodils live. A option daffodils live in the green world. MCQs from Flamingo. E. Answer the following questions from the options given below. 51 who is the writer of the story The Rat Trap. 51 who is the writer of the story The Rat Trap. Option B Selma Lagerlof. Now 52 when Douglas was 10 or 11 years old what did he decide to learn. A. To swim. 53 where does Saheb live. A. Simapuri. 54 where does Mukesh family work. In a Bengal factory. D option correct. 55th who was Mr. Hamel. A French teacher. Now questions from Vistage F. Answer the following questions from the options given below. 56 who is the central character of the story The Third Level. Option B Charlie. Now 57 who is the enemy in the story The Enemy. Option A an American soldier. 58 how does Mr. Lamb die. A option he falls off a ladder. 59. Who is Joe in the story Should Wizard Hit Mommy? Option B. Jack's daughter. Now 60. Who wants to appear in the O-level German examination in the lesson Evans tries an O-level? A option Evans is correct. तो स्टूडेंट्स आज हमने क्लास 12 इंग्लिश का सेट ए जो है सॉल्व किया। यदि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक